Hello, my name is Dr. Ruth Grady and I am the coordinator of all the final year projects. We allocate your projects by trying to take into account your preference for project type and area with a like-minded academic member of staff. And we complete the allocation process after the Year 2 resit exam boards, so that's not going to be until September. However, it's a good idea to do some research now to make sure you make an informed choice of which kind of project you're going to be interested in. All final year students do a research project, and it's a tremendous opportunity to undertake some original, independent and novel research in science. You may be learning new techniques, or you may be learning and practicing new skills such as negotiation, communication, project management, creativity, data analysis, all sorts of things that will be useful for you in your life post-university. So what happens is, early in semester 5, we will allocate you your supervisor. You will meet up and you will decide a subject area that you're going to investigate. And first of all, you're going to write a 10-page literature review based on the primary research area in that field. This is a 10-credit unit in its own right. And late in semester 5 and in semester 6, you will start your research proper, and you'll take some of the topic of your literature review forward into the project. So what are the different project types? Well, most people do laboratory research projects, either based in a lab, in a research lab or in a teaching lab, or out in the field. Here you'll have a research question that you want to answer. So you'll need to design a series of experiments, do some data analysis, and working usually alongside other research members of the lab, or you may be working with other final year project students as well. You will be restricted by the research area of your supervisor, so if there is a particular area of science that you're interested in, it may be a good idea to find an academic member of staff who works in that field and to self-arrange your own final year project in the lab. Details on how to self-arrange can be found elsewhere on this Blackboard site. Now, these lab projects really appeal to students who like doing experiments in a laboratory, and sometimes those experiments don't work. Can you pick yourself up if it doesn't work first time? Can you make sense of the data? And if that's the kind of project you want to do opt for a lab project. If, however, you would like to explore other avenues in biological science, maybe you've had enough of doing lab projects or lab experiments. So the next few videos are going to outline the other kinds of project that we have. So do take the time to watch them, and then you can make an informed choice as to your project type for next year.